And there you have it. The answer to every question you didn't ask about this season. But really, that was just a glimpse, right?
Yes, yeah, we have so much in store for each of you, and if you have any suggestions, it's not too late. Comment below with what you want to see.
Oh, it's too late. It's way too late. This video is done, and all year it's gonna be about more. More support, more videos, more content, more beer, more wine.
More cakes, more cookies.
Cake,
yes.
more bread, more sugar.
Oh my gosh.
More. The question, what's in store for the channel in 2022? More. So we're looking forward to sharing it all with you. And I think we should cheers to that, to health and a healthy channel.
Cheers.
And friends. See you next week.
I didn't know you were gonna end it with that. I thought we were just smiling and then we would like end it.
Yeah, we can do more.
Okay. So afterward like this.
More. More. Chin chin.
Love you.
Are the credits rolling?